Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video we are discussing DIY home remedies for cough, cold and sinus infection. Have you ever been left feeling helpless due to a sudden bout of cold or sinusitis? If yes, then you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll share with you several remedies that you can use to cure your cold and sinus infection instantly, with the help of natural ingredients. So let's get started. Let's begin with a home remedy for curing your cold. Boil a mixture of crushed garlic, onion, basil leaves and a teaspoon of black pepper in 1 cup of water for about 10 minutes. When it's done, filter the contents into a cup and drink it. For treating your cough, mix 1 tablespoon of honey, ginger, and turmeric in warm water. Drink this remedy twice a day to aid fast relief. For treating a sinus infection, you can use a simple saline spray. Take 2 teaspoons of salt and mix it with 2 cups of boiled water in a cup. Transfer the solution into a spray bottle and spray it into your nostrils. Alternatively, you can add 2 teaspoons of turmeric to a glass of warm milk and drink it twice a day. This simple remedy will help clear your sinus congestion quickly. If you are looking for an easy remedy to get relief from your sore throat, then you should try drinking hot lemon water. Taking a glass of warm lemon water mixed with a pinch of black pepper and a teaspoon of honey will alleviate the soreness in your throat. Conclusion. That's it for today. I hope these DIY home remedies for cold and sinus infection help you get relief from your symptoms. If you liked the video, then please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.